You swing at me, I'ma swing right back at you, baby. It is Friday, May 15th, day who knows what of the quarantine, but it is day 3 of cleaning up Long Beach, and today there's a flyover, so I am extra excited. I actually thought there'd be a lot more people on the beach, but it's pretty empty, so I'm gonna go without the mask. All right, what time is it now? We got a good half hour to get in before they should be flying from right over there and coming right down the coast here. It should be pretty badass. Let's start cleaning. Let's start cleaning. Let's start cleaning. It is currently 1:37. The flyover is supposed to happen in approximately 3 minutes. Coming from over there. We got the camera set up. I think we're good to go. If anybody knows this guy, I love me a good flyover. It's been one of the good things about living in Long Beach. They do flyovers pretty frequently. Every crashing wave sounds like it's coming. Decent amount of people out. People are out on the beach right now getting ready for this. See it kind of scattered. Everybody's keeping their distance. Everybody's doing good. It's 1:39. They should be coming around the mountain when she comes. The anticipation. Watch it not come by for another 15 minutes and we're just standing here like a bunch of idiots. We're still waiting. 1:41. They're running behind schedule now. Now they're with beach cleanup time. Come on, planes! Where you at? And we're still waiting. Well, at least it's a clear sky today, so we'll be able to see them. If they ever want to show up.
What time is it supposed to be at?
1:30 to 2. It is 2:11. Jesus Christ, it's 2:11 and they still haven't shown up with the flyover. They were supposed to be here about 30 minutes ago. What's going on with our Air Force? Air Force can't be 30 minutes late. All right, we have one bag in the book. Still waiting on the goddamn flyover. It's still not here. 2:28. It's putting a real damper into this whole Long Beach cleaning thing.
I've remained cleaning.
She remained cleaning, but she also didn't clean for the first half hour while she was on the phone. Busted. You swing at me, I'ma swing right back at you, baby. All right, we're playing the honest game. I'm pretty upset about this. I don't feel like standing here anymore. I'd rather be cleaning up the beach. I'm gonna give it one more minute. If it goes overhead, it goes over head. You, I don't need a morale boost. Filling up bag number 2. The flyover never happened and it ruined everything because we probably could have gotten out like 2 more of these bags, but for an hour I'm just sitting there with a goddamn thumb up my ass. All right, well, we got 2 done and it's time to go home, eat some lunch, and continue tomorrow. The good news, we're done. The bad news is I just broke the claw. So, I mean, granted I got a bunch of these little bad rabbits here, but I really like this one.